Well, it's such a nice day. I don't mind driving around today. I think we'll take the so-called shortcut at this point to get out to Sooke Road, as opposed to turning left now on Jacqueline, which obviously we're not doing. Watch out for that pothole there. Many a front end needed a fixing after that one, and nobody's fixing it either. That's just great. Oh well. You know, as long as everybody's having a good time, I think that's the whole name of the game here. This is the West Coast. This here is sort of like the tail end of Langford as we're heading out towards Sooke. Yeah. Such a beautiful day, though. I had to close the sunroof so I could be heard here on the audio track.
Of course, stuff like the ongoing pandemic has slowed traffic, downtown foot traffic specifically, and a lot of people are online shopping now, way more than we ever have. They've always carried Vans, Herschel, Doc Martens, all of those big brands, and they have decided that they are going to be moving everything online. They said that, yeah.
So, yeah, righteous, boy. Right arm. Yeah, it's right around 3:10. The kids are getting off school. The bus is taking them home. Beautiful day out here. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Goldstream off to our right. And now we're heading up and on over to the Sooke Road here in a little minute or something. We'll be turning in the left. We'll be turning around the roundabout and going towards Sooke. Nice day, boy, I tell you, geez, that's nice. Wow. Beautiful sunshine, here we go. All right. Beautiful clouds. Everything's so beautiful and bright and right on today. There's another construction site I never got to go on to, but if only I'd been able to do them all. When they say 40, they mean it. That's why we're all doing 41. Yeah, so this is the West Shore Parkway, I think. I don't think we would have saved any or lost any time at all going the other way. In fact, come to think of it now, I think it would have been shorter just to stay on the Sooke Road from Glen Lake. By taking the left on Jacqueline, like I said I wasn't going to, just to show you and prove to you just how long this actually took. Ah, right. Well, we'll have to do another video of going the other way and measure exactly how many minutes and seconds that was. But, you know, you can't have a comparison unless you have two things to be comparing each other to. You can't compare something to itself. So this is the first half. Nice day, nice day. Still lots of stuff going on up here, guys. Oh, the construction's unreal. There's a storage place. There's a place full of RVs that, they sure seem expensive. I like those bike campers I've seen some people on YouTube be making. Bike campers, yeah. Oh, I tell ya. That'd be kind of cool if you think about it. Yeah, I'm only doing like 65, 68 miles an hour, maybe 70. It's 80 in here. Just because it's 80 doesn't mean you have to go 80. That's the maximum, right? We're just taking it easy today because it's a nice sunny day. May as well enjoy it. Beautiful day. Love them clouds. They are cool. Humpback Road. Used to be a road you could go across to Goldstream, and it was a shortcut if you were going from the Sooke Road up island, right? Up the other side of the island. But they just decommissioned it, and I think it was basically because it was too dangerous. Too many cars were driving over it. A lot of blind corners. You had to go like 10 miles an hour maximum in a lot of spots, and I can just imagine how that worked out. on, we all switch into the left lane. Come on, man. Do it like you mean it. Just that there exposure, boy. Ooh, can't see anything. Of course, now it's going to be too bright when we get into the sun. So, welcome to the wonderful world of on-the-fly photography and video. Just thinking someday, you know, if I'm at home and you know, it's a rainy day on the weekend or whatever, I can sit there at the TV and watch this and go, yeah, I know how that feels, driving along in the sunshine. It's a beautiful place we have out here, folks. Yeah. It's all right. Here's where I like to get my tires done. So we're going as low as we can on the brightness here. And of course, that's by changing the exposure down. It seems like it might be too dark, but I've been noticing on the playback on my TV that it seems that maybe I'm just recording it at too slow of a shutter speed. Faster the shutter speed, of course, the less light gets in, and the darker the picture becomes. So this guy's going nice and easy up here. So am I. So am I. This part always makes me feel like a race car driver. Right on your ass. Back off, Jack.